Hi, I haven't made an unboxing video for a while. So here's a box. I'm going to open it. That's basically what an unboxing video is. So here we go. And it's tubes. Loads and loads of tubes. But these tubes are different. These are biodegradable tubes. So in the past when I've sold trees, I've sold them plastic rabbit guards, but I don't like the idea of them breaking down in the environment because not everyone brings them back in, they just get left. These things eventually just turn into soil. Now unfortunately at the moment they cost nearly twice as much as the other ones, so hopefully people will buy them, and then if enough people do buy them the price will go down. Anyway, yeah, I've decided to stop selling the plastic ones. We just sell the bioplastic ones from now on. Yeah, that's it.